Alright guys, what's up? You're probably wondering what I'm doing here or assuming that I'm cleaning the garage or whatever, but what I'm actually doing is clearing out the entire back space of the garage because I had this wild idea one day that I was going to create a mezzanine so I'd have some room to store some stuff in the wasted space because the garage is so tall. Well, after doing some different calculations and talking to some contractors, I figured out that to do a mezzanine, I might as well just close in the top. And then, well, hell, if I'm going to do that, I might as well close in the bottom. And doing that would give me two separate climate controlled areas for a workshop and a studio in the top. And basically, this would get rid of me having to use a torpedo heater and breathe diesel fumes and set up big fans and still sweat my butt off all summer. So I don't know. This is an idea I had, and we just kind of threw it together that weekend. Went to Home Depot, bought a bunch of stuff, and yeah, just step one, clearing out the area right here. Alright guys, we got a couple more things to clean out in here, but got a little of the particle board off the wall there so we could see our electrical box. I've got to get some help moving this cabinet and this workbench, and then we're pretty much ready to start. So we actually went to Home Depot yesterday and got the material. That was fun. It probably took them an hour and a half to put all this together for us, but boom. We got our 6x6s, we got our 2x8s, our 2x10s, all of our particle board. You can see the busted bucket of screws back there. We got our like the joist hangers. So we should have everything we need. It's Saturday morning, 8 a.m., and I'm hoping by the end of tomorrow, by tomorrow night, to have all of this closed in, stairs done, walls done. Oh yeah, what you didn't see in the back of that trailer were two doors. I'm putting a French door right here in the middle. And I got you could get it in 48 or 60, and I went ahead and got the 60 just because with that I should have no issue rolling a quad in the doors, or this black lift, even with the sides on it. Should be able to roll that through the doors. And then the other door is going to go at the top of the steps just to kind of seal off the top area from the bottom. We'll go over this again when we get some of this up, but I thought about this non-stop yesterday, and just like a preliminary idea is I'm thinking my workbench down this wall, probably some toolboxes here which will be under the stairs, and I'm thinking about like one red, like the dirt bike lift here, possibly the black bigger like ATV style lift over here, maybe. I haven't decided yet. Probably some more tools and storage over there, and not sure about this corner yet. I will probably keep this workbench for now until I can find a decent one. I've been looking at them. I've been poring over a few, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, the stairs will come up here, and I'll go up there. And the plan is an office. We're gonna have two rooms up there, and what I want to be able to do with them is an office, a little like media studio with some sound panels on the walls where we can shoot some video. We can be set up to shoot videos all the time, and but also I want to have a little room for storage up there to store my samples and stuff from work, like these 5 gloves, any apparel, jackets, and stuff I get from work. Just to store that stuff. I would like to have some kind of bins to store airsoft guns and electronics and stuff like that, since it'll be climate controlled up there, where stuff won't rust and get ruined. So I don't know, guys, but yeah, this is update number 2. I'm gonna set up a time lapse, and we're gonna get started building this thing today, and hopefully if we don't run into too many snags, we'll next time you see it, it'll be enclosed. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we started by just putting some posts up, one on each wall of the garage and 2 in the middle where the doorway was going to be, and 1 at the back, and we used these 2x8s to just build our frame around it, and then we had a 2x10 in the middle, and we just put joists with joist hangers. And this part of the build actually went pretty quick. We had 5 or 6 people helping, and we had the joists up, and we're starting to lay floor pretty quickly on day 1. Without a doubt, the most challenging part of this, I'll have to say, was the stairs. We couldn't do the stairs like we wanted to do because you'd hit your head. They didn't have enough rise on them. We wanted to keep them pretty close to code like you'd see in a house. The second part of the flight is actually like 4 feet wide. They're super wide, and the tread is really big, just like you'd see in a home, but we ended up having to put the landing on it, and then also had to take out 1.5 joists above so you didn't hit your head. So I lost a little floor space in the bottom, a little floor space up top, but I really do have some super nice stairs. Not sure what I'm gonna put on those yet. I'm gonna put some kind of like grip tape or paint them or something. I just haven't decided what yet. If anybody has any advice for that, let me know. As far as outlets, I ran Romex on the outside walls where the bikes are going to be. Did a little Romex upstairs, but I'm mostly conduit everything, especially in the workshop, just because I want to be able to add outlets or add hardwired stuff in quick and easy. But yeah, guys, hopefully this is going to really change my ability to make videos, to work on customer machines, and just not be as stressed about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated on how this project goes.